Hi, I'm Dhanashree and I'm currently working as Senior Business Development Specialist at MindRuby. It's been around more than 8 months I'm working here, and the journey so far has been truly amazing. Having more than 5 years of experience in business development, I was pretty confident on my skills. But as I observed here, the specialization and the kind of projects they work into were completely new to me. So, proving yourself into IT sales is not that easy when you are targeting a completely new market and working with platforms like Salesforce. So, what actually helped me was the incredible support and the guidance received from the MindRuby team. One thing that really stood out to me is the company values the skills and efforts of an employee more than the number of years they have spent with the company, and it does not hesitate to provide you a platform or an opportunity even if the employee has joined recently with them. So let me share you a story regarding this. And not too long, I was called in by my manager for which I thought was a regular catch-up meeting. However, to my surprise, I was informed that I will be mentoring a new team member who will be closely aligned with me. So, this level of responsibility generally comes to people after spending some years with the company. That's when I realized that MindRuby operates on a very different philosophy. They truly believe in recognizing potential early and recognizing people with real responsibilities. And honestly, if you ask me, how did I feel in that moment? So it genuinely felt wonderful to see how my efforts have been recognized in such a short span of time. And it feels truly great to be associated with an employer where your growth is not tied to your tenure, but what value you are adding to the company from day one. Another thing I would like to highlight about MindRuby is its work culture. As an employee, we spend around 8 to 9 hours of our day at work. So it naturally becomes our second family or second home. And if I tell you, MindRuby truly feels like a family. So the company not only focuses on results but also on relationship. We celebrate festivals together, we participate in team events, and we enjoy cultural celebrations as well. That makes everyone feel included and appreciated. So these experiences not only make the workplace fun but also strengthen the bonds we share as colleagues. Overall, MindRuby is not just a place to work, but it's a place to grow, to learn, and to build lasting connections. The supportive leadership, the positive work environment, and the focus on continuous improvement makes every day fulfilling. I truly feel proud and grateful to be part of MindRuby family, and I look forward to contributing more years ahead.